In this video, I will show you how to enable Google Workspace Labs to generate content using AI in Google Docs. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Google has announced the private beta of Workspace Labs that you can join and try generative AI in Google Docs. You can use it to generate social media posts, captions, job descriptions, and more by specifying a text prompt. If you want to try it, then you can sign up for it using the link in the description. But do note that it is only available in the United States for now. Once you are in, you will get an email notification like this. So, go and open Google Docs and you will see the welcome screen of Google Workspace Labs like this. You will now see a magic wand-like icon in Docs that you can use to open a pop-up and specify what you want to generate. Let's try generating social media captions. So, enter the prompt and then click Create. After a few seconds, it will give you a list of social media captions that you can use. Just click Insert and then those will be added to the docs. The Workspace Labs wand button will be available in the borderline of the page and you can activate it from here whenever you want it. You can use it to generate paragraphs and short essays on any topic as well. For example, this one here on Italian Renaissance. Before inserting the generated text in Docs, you can perform some extra actions. For example, you can rephrase the content, formalize it, and even shorten it. Let's try to shorten the content it generated. It will take a couple of seconds to process it and will generate the final result. They are quite satisfactory. One of the specializations of Workspace Labs is the job description generation. It is a really good option for recruiters. So, try to generate one now. It will automatically give you a detailed job description with requirements and experience details added as bullet points. In this way, you can use this new powerful Google Workspace Labs to generate content right inside Google Docs and for free. Feel free to explore other tech videos on our channel and don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.